So, Alibaba just dropped a new AI model, and honestly, it's making some serious waves. And it's all because of one jaw-dropping feature. We are talking about Qwen 3.6, and in this explainer, we're going to break down not just what it can do, but what this could mean for the whole future of AI agents and complex problem solving.
It really all boils down to this one number, 1 million. That is the number of tokens this new model can handle in its context window. Now, you can think of tokens as little pieces of text, words, or even parts of words. And in this big race to build more powerful AI, being able to process a massive amount of information at once is like the holy grail. And let me tell you, this number puts Qwen firmly in the top tier of contenders. Just to put that into perspective for you, 1 million tokens it's roughly the equivalent of 2,000 pages of text. I mean, just imagine feeding an AI an entire company's worth of annual reports or a really complex legal case, maybe even a full software code base, and then asking it to reason across the whole thing without missing a single beat. This is the exact challenge that all the top AI labs are trying to crack right now.
And that brings us right to Alibaba's latest release, Qwen 3.6. Look, this isn't just another small update. This is a model that's been specifically engineered from the ground up to excel at handling these enormous contexts. It's designed to see the entire picture, no matter how ridiculously big it is.
So how in the world does it pull this off? Let's go under the hood for a minute and take a look at the key technologies that make Qwen 3.6 so powerful and, just as important, so efficient. Okay, so there are a few core advancements here that we need to talk about. We've already touched on that massive context window, but what really makes this thing tick is its hybrid architecture, a pretty unique dual-mode thinking process, and some seriously upgraded abilities to act as an AI agent using its tool use skills. All right, the first key piece of tech is its hybrid architecture. Qwen 3.6 uses a system that's a lot like a mixture of experts model. The best way to think about it is imagine a whole team of specialists instead of just one generalist. For any given task, instead of using its entire massive brain, the model intelligently calls upon only the most relevant experts, or parts of its network. This right here is the secret sauce that delivers incredible performance without needing a supercomputer's worth of power. It's just smarter. Another really clever trick is its dual thinking modes. So if you divot a complex problem, it can switch into thinking mode using a step-by-step process to really reason its way to a solution. But what if you have a simple question? Well, it just switches over to non-thinking mode for a fast, direct answer. It intelligently uses the right tool for the job. Of course, impressive features on paper are one thing. The real test is, how does it actually perform out in the wild? So let's move on to the benchmarks and see how this new version builds on its predecessors, especially when it comes to fixing some of their known issues.
The previous version, Qwen 3.5, was definitely powerful. Nobody's denying that. But developers in the community, they noticed a common frustration. It had this tendency to, overthink. It would create these excessively long reasoning chains, which just slowed down response times and made it less practical for real-world applications.
And wow, the data really shows that Qwen 3.6 is a direct answer to that feedback. These early benchmarks are incredibly telling. The consistency score, a perfect 10 out of 10, and it produced 0 flaky tests. For anyone out there building production systems, that level of reliability is exactly what you want to see. It's huge. But this chart, this is the real headline. The average response time plummeted from over 39 seconds in the previous version to under 14 seconds. That is nearly a 3x speedup. So it's not just faster, it's a fundamentally more responsive and usable model that directly addresses that overthinking problem. So the really crucial point is how it's getting the speed. It's not cutting corners or giving you worse answers. The model is just more efficient. It's using, and I love this phrase, better reasoning, not longer reasoning. It gets to a high-quality, stable answer with less internal work, which is exactly what developers have been asking for. So what does all this improved performance, this speed, this reliability, and this massive context, what does it actually unlock? Well, when a model can think this fast and this reliably across huge amounts of data, it really opens the door to one of the most exciting fields in AI right now, autonomous agents. So an AI agent isn't a model that just answers your questions, it's one that takes action. It gets a complex goal, it breaks that goal down into smaller steps, decides what to do next, uses tools like APIs, and it can even test its own work until the entire task is complete. This whole workflow depends on reliable, step-by-step reasoning. And that is exactly where Qwen 3.6 is built to shine. Just think about agentic coding, where an AI could write, test, and debug an entire application all on its own. Or imagine it analyzing massive legal or research documents to find key insights. These are the kinds of complex, multi-step tasks that become so much more feasible with a model that's this stable and this capable.
But it's also important to keep things in perspective. So let's take a quick look at the current status of Qwen 3.6 and what we can probably expect to see down the road. Okay, so right now, the most powerful version, Qwen 3.6 Plus, is still in a preview phase. That just means it's not yet fully production ready. It's also a closed source, API-only model for now, and while it has that giant input window, its output is still capped. For instance, the coder version can generate about 65,000 tokens in a response. But, and this is great news for the open source community, Alibaba has already announced that they will be open sourcing smaller versions of the Qwen 3.6 series in the coming days. This is huge because it's going to allow developers everywhere to build with and fine-tune this new architecture. Which of course brings us to our final thought. With its massive context, its efficient reasoning, and its clear focus on reliability, Qwen 3.6 is making a really strong case as a foundational model for the next wave of AI. But is this the breakthrough? Is this the model that finally makes powerful, autonomous AI agents a reliable and common part of our daily lives? You know what? Only time will tell.